Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to Manny'z World. So today for you, I have a mashup of Patrick from SpongeBob SquarePants and Majin Buu from Dragon Ball Z. Now, before we get into the process of this piece, I wanted to share with you guys that I have opened up a profile in RedBubble. Some of you have requested some of the designs that I've been doing lately to be made in a shirt or something like that. I did some research and it looks like RedBubble may be a good fit for what we're trying to do here. So I just want to take a second and show you this piece that we're going to be going over. So here's the t-shirt with the design, and here's the t-shirt with a tag on it, and this one says, "I'm not fat, I'm just big boned." So in order to find my profile, just type in Manny'z World on the search bar and you should be able to find me. Here is the description of the item and here's the price. So if you're interested, moving forward, some of my designs will be available in RedBubble. Thanks for your support. Alright, so let's get started. So I was a bit hesitant to do Majin Buu and Patrick because they're just so similar. When it comes to character design, you know, they're both pink, they're both bigger, they're both a little bit of happy-go-lucky. So I didn't think that there would be enough of a difference for me to do something cool with it. But some of you did request this mashup, so that's why I'm doing it. The real challenge for this piece was really trying to make each quality stand out, if that makes any sense, because the characters are so similar. So I did decide to take some of the outfit from Majin Buu, as well as you're gonna see a little bit later on the pants. I first started doing them gray, like that white gray that Majin Buu has it, but then I switch it up and I add the green and flowers that Patrick has on his side. So I'm hoping that you guys enjoy it, that you both see Majin Buu and Patrick in this piece. When my wife walked in as I was working on this one, she immediately looked at it as Patrick, but she's also not as familiar with Dragon Ball Z. So what I'm thinking is going to happen is that the people that are more familiar with Dragon Ball Z will pick this character up as Buu, and the people that are more familiar with SpongeBob, they'll look at it as Patrick. But anyways, I had some fun with this one. I tried a few different techniques, so I hope you guys like it. I'll let this play out, so enjoy it, and I'll meet you guys at the end. Alright, so here we are. I'm just adding some of the highlights to make it pop a little bit, and we're going to see the final product in just a second here. So this is it, Buu Trick. Hope you guys enjoy it, and catch you on the next one. Bye.